just got to church. I'm starting this vlog in my car on a Sunday morning, first Sunday of May, and it's a communion service. I don't like to vlog when I'm inside this church, so I'll see you guys when I close. Okay, bye.
Today not today.
Meet my 4-year-old godson and my 6-year-old son. They are both birthday mates.
Have you seen me?
Can't sleep with the cashmere. Better sleep. Hey loves. So I returned from church, slept for like an hour, and today is the Warri makeup fair. So it's just 1 p.m. already. I want to go over to the makeup fair, get some things. In fact, I'll be doing more of window shopping because right now I don't have money to buy what I want. I only have money to buy the few things that I need. So I'm going there to buy what I need, like the important things I need, and they are not much. See, today now the day where discipline must happen for my life. Anything we want me buy past 60,000 naira today, I jump papas. Amen. So shall it be. Okay. One of those days where Lord God will make us see now. I dey see what I want, but I need to buy them. I will just face front, you know. Now that kind of waka today. So let's go see how I look. And by the way, from there I'll be attending a friend's birthday party. I have like 3 places to be today, and I need to come back home before 7 p.m. because my kids are starting their tests in school tomorrow. First test tomorrow, so I need to return back on time and do revision, 1 hour study with them. See, anyhow way Bisha, I could just look front like this. Today I no go find waiting, no find me. Lie, I jump all the temptation pass. Like this, we know we fresh like this. We know we fine like this. Hey, I fit it Beresi. Jesse, no sexy. Hello. Arrived at the Warri makeup fair, and this is usually held in Warri twice in a year. We have different vendors, different Nigerian brands coming together to sell products and meet my friend Sophisticated Beauty.
Hello? So we got here. Say hi to my sugar sweetheart. See her.
Meet Nia Beauty. She makes setting spray, glow spray. I've been using it for years now and it's good. Meet my friend Angie's Cloud. Meet another beautiful vendor, Juba Cosmetics.
Instagram is Juba Cosmetics. You know that setting spray I used in my last video? She's the brain behind it, and this is it. So guys,
I know you've seen me use this setting spray, Juba Cosmetics, several times. She also introduced this recently launched matte primer. She gave me one to try out as PRO package and give her my honest review. So soon you will see me use this primer. Eyelashes was one of the reasons I came to the makeup fair, so I bought more than enough because I usually use them for clients Owambe. And then I bought cosmetic lens for myself. I bought brown and grey shade.
that is the 2 that collected.
The DJ was good, the turnout was great, like a lot of people came to get products, different live demo going on at different makeup stands. And then the next thing I bought was makeup pouch. All these mini pouch where you store makeup for personal use and to put in your box when going for a job. So this was the second reason I came to the fair. And yes, I stopped over at Miracle Cosmetics to get their newly launched beauty blender, and then I went to Beauty by Jones, one of my favorite brands. Spent some time here at Beauty by Jones stand before leaving, and trust me, they got the best lip stain lip gloss for you. And so I proceeded to my next step.
Oh, that's my baby girl, Face of the Care Cosmetics. Man, I'm a good teacher. Oh, the Curl Cosmetics. Like, see my baby. Just take a look at my baby for the Curl Cosmetics. Somebody's daughter. See, Ify baby. Hey, water through my eyes, but I'll be alright. Hey, whatever. Where are you? We are outside.
We're outside. Outside is very expensive.
Outside. And outside is expensive.
Very expensive.
In this outside, do like say your eye need to see where. Do your eye like bezel eye. Just do window shopping. Look and move. Look and move. More they go to the next location. More they go to the next location. You know, at times, do like say you know they see what they see.
Party time, food time. Man, see this pepper soup and cocoa gari, also called tapioca. If you taste this pepper soup, hey, with pork meat, hi, man, with goat meat by the side. Oh, this was everything. In fact, I did not even have space for jollof rice, jare. I finish am. Then they can't bring rice again. In fact, I don't even chop the food reach half before I show now. Happy birthday, mama. So I had fun. This birthday party was lit. See, I enjoyed pepper soup and cocoa gari. Very nice, you know. So it's already 6 p.m. I think 6:05. So I'm just trying to rush home. Hopefully I get home before 7, so I can rest for like 20 minutes before preparing my kids for their test tomorrow. See, not easy to do baby girl or businesswoman and then still do mother duty. God will shall help us because our parents did it, so we are going to do it regardless. Just pray for God's strength and wisdom to be able to manage all of this together. Okay, so I'll see you soon. I got 5:07. I'm back. Yay! I'm back. Close my window. Why are you hiding? You came to my room without my permission? You came to my room without my permission?
Yes, I will also sleep.
Do you sleep afternoon sleep?
Yes.
How many hours did you sleep?
3 hours.
3 hours. That's good. So you slept well. Yeah, it's time for revision. Very good. You want to enter? Say hi, guys.
Hi guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to more news.
Yay! Thank you, darling. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please.